Maybe we're gonna kill each other. I'll take them. I'll take some.
Bobby, you want some too? You can use our plate. If you don't mind.
You're getting this sloppy. At least she got a spoon. Where's little Zane?
It is opening day of the 2018
Did he eat any?
Canada Goose season here in Western New York.
Zane, did you get eggs? Do you want
And
some?
what we're doing right now is getting a little breakfast, coffee, some eggs, some bacon, and we're waiting for all the geese to leave. They're out here, and they're all going to head to feed here in about 45 minutes or so probably. And once all the birds leave, we're going to go out off the end of this road right here and set up some floaters and some standers on that ditch line and lay out blinds, and we're going to try to pound them on their way back in here to Loaf mid-morning. So we'll see if it works out. How many bullets are we allowed to shoot, Chaz?
7.
7. We're allowed 7 rounds a pop and 15 birds a man. Just so that's clear with everybody, because that's been a problem in the years past.
Fork here, piece of bacon. Want that other piece of bacon?
Does anybody else want more eggs?
Shoot him. So, as you know, it's opening day of goose season here in Western New York. All the geese finally left. This is a roosting area and a loafing area, so we had to wait for the geese to leave. And they finally all left, and we actually had a group swing back around, and we just got 2 out of that group. They banked off us hard right at the end, so we didn't get the greatest shooting at them. But now it's just a waiting game. We're gonna wait them out, and we should get back into them when they come back to Loaf around 9:30, 10 o'clock. So we're gonna be able to sit here and bullshit with the guys and tell lies about our hunting seasons. Stay tuned. Shoot him, yep. Oh, 4 more. There's more than I thought over there. Well, we're still waiting on the birds to come back from their feed. They're out there feeding right now. But in the meantime, my brother and Samantha are gonna find out what their little baby's gonna be, whether it's a boy or a girl. So I'll video. They're live on Facebook right now, and Monty's gonna hit a baseball, and it's gonna explode into blue or pink dust. It's gonna be a boy. I can feel it.
Sam's like super pumped up. All right, here's the real one, folks.
Woo!
It's a boy.
Oh, it's fun.
Oh my gosh!
Sweet.
And they've agreed to name it Brandon. Oh, no? Brandon Bailey. There's
Aww.
got some white stuff all over his face.
I thought it was a girl!
It's a boy. Thumbs up. It's a boy, boys. We have another goose hunter coming soon.
Attaboy, Monty.
Big congrats to Monty and Sam on the little boy. I'll teach him lots of good stuff, let me tell you. I'll be a good babysitter. Uncle Cliffy will be there for him. Okay, everybody, sorry for the interruption, but I'm gonna apologize for this camera work. This was all my fault. I didn't realize that when I set Kaylee's blind up behind us, I set it up too far and it was too low compared to where the shooter's blinds were. And I didn't realize it was gonna be such an issue with the video. And unfortunately, a lot of these birds that we were killing were below the grass line, so you couldn't even see them on this video, and I'm going to take full responsibility for that, and I'm sorry. It's definitely not going to happen again. Go. You guys ready? Yep. Kill him. as everybody's seen, we had the birds that were feeding out in front of us finally picked up from their feed and came back to the loafing spot, and they didn't finish right in our lap. They were out there a little bit, like 45 yards or so, but we tore them up, and then it was crazy. We just had flock after flock after flock, and the problem was we had belly up birds out here and half crippled birds, and the birds kept wanting to suck to the birds that were already out there, and we have a hard wind at our back here, and it just kept pushing those dead birds out farther, so it kind of made it tough for us. So we ended up, they kept lighting with the dead birds out there, so we ended up, when they were circling to land, we ended up taking them, you know, on their second pass, because we had closer shooting at them then than if they were to land out there. But we got, just in that matter of 10 minutes, we killed over 20 geese, I'm pretty sure. We're still collecting. Zane's got a kayak full of dead birds out there, but we're not done yet. We're gonna give it a little while longer and see what else comes in here. Hey, thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Well, folks, that's a wrap on our opening day of goose season here in Western New York. We tore them up and ended up with 54 geese in total, and had a blast shooting them. Oakley over there got a serious workout today. The birds obviously didn't come till mid-morning. We actually didn't get out of there till after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it was a long hunt, but it was a hunt that we periodically killed birds all morning. A lot of the birds that came in actually came in way bigger groups than we were hoping for, but it was opening day, so we had a lot of other people hunting all around us, so the birds kept getting bumped, and anyways, we were able to scratch out a lot of geese as we sat there. I really want to thank everybody for watching these videos. I'm going to have a lot more goose hunts coming, and it's because of you that this video, my channel's been so successful, and I really appreciate that, everybody. I want to thank Kaylee for videoing. All that awesome 4K video was from Kaylee, and I want to thank all my buddies for hunting with me.
I want to thank Zane for his kayaking.
Yeah, Zane chased geese all over with a kayak. But we had a blast, and wish you were here, Brock. It's not really the same without you, man. You'd have had fun, but we'll be back at it soon. Thanks, everybody.